Welcome back to Next Gen 2050. Today we step inside America's most terrifying mega claw machine. Nothing prepares you for this scale.
One claw alone weighs more than a loaded delivery truck tayo, and this machine carries 8 of them at once. We're not just watching this machine anymore. We're walking straight into its steel and hydraulic heart.
One person, 4 joysticks, and total control over one of the most powerful grapples ever engineered.
Climbing this ladder feels like boarding a ship head. Every single bolt on this thing is built for brute force. Wow. Look at that, it's beautiful.
Inside every arm, pressurized oil pushes with enough force to crush solid steel beams in seconds. These tracks spread the machine's colossal weight so evenly, it barely sinks into soft, saturated ground. Buried beneath the cab sits an engine powerful enough to move mountains of steel without ever straining. Every movement is synchronized, 8 arms acting as one single, terrifyingly precise mechanical organism.
From up here, you don't just drive this machine in how. You feel like you're piloting a mechanical creature.
Every tine is individually engineered to grip, crush, and lift without ever losing structural integrity under load. What takes a demolition crew hours, this single claw accomplishes in one deliberate, bone-crushing motion. One burst hose here could release enough force to injure anyone standing within 20 feet. This turret alone weighs tens of thousands of pounds, yet it rotates with almost eerie smoothness. Deep inside, dozens of pumps work together to feed pressurized fluid to every single moving joint. Walking beneath these claws requires absolute trust in engineering tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. Modern sensors monitor every joint constantly, warning the operator before any system reaches dangerous mechanical limits. This single pivot point absorbs stress equivalent to holding up an entire small commercial building. Every inspection here isn't routine, it's a safety ritual for machinery capable of catastrophic force.
Even moving at walking speed, this machine commands total respect. You can feel the ground shift beneath you.
Behind every autonomous assist feature sits a human engineer, double-checking every calculated movement in real time.
Hundreds of feet of hose and cable route through this machine like an industrial nervous system. When all 8 claws open together, this machine's reach spans wider than most residential driveways. Every bolt here is torqued to exact industrial specification, but a single loose fitting could be catastrophic. Redistributing this much weight instantly requires a hydraulic and structural system engineered far beyond ordinary limits.
One emergency switch here can instantly halt every hydraulic function across the entire 8-armed system.
Cooling a diesel engine this powerful requires airflow equivalent to a small industrial ventilation system. These gear teeth alone are each larger than a human fist, engineered to survive decades of rotation.
Every claw movement today is being recorded, analyzed, and compared against thousands of prior calibration cycles.
Whoa, look at that spike.
I see it, adjusting parameters now.
These numbers on screen are basically this machine's heartbeat TANs, and right now, its pulse is racing.
Even microscopic metal particles in the hydraulic fluid can signal early wear inside this massive system.
Servicing a machine this size means climbing an entire built-in steel walkway system just to reach the top.
Automatic leveling systems constantly compensate, so the massive upper structure never tips beyond safe operating limits. Even simple movement generates forces powerful enough to fling debris several feet through the air. From this seat, one person commands more raw mechanical force than an entire small demolition crew. Before a single bolt was tightened, this entire machine existed only as millions of calculated data points. Engineers simulate catastrophic failure scenarios thousands of times before a single physical part is ever forged.
Every curve and thickness on this machine was debated, tested, and refined across countless design iterations.
The new radius reduces the stress.
Tolerances this precise mean even a hair's width of error could compromise the entire arm's strength. Before this steel ever reached the machine, engineers destroyed dozens of samples to find its true limits. Physical scale models let engineers test articulation ranges long before full-size steel ever gets cut.
Even wind resistance on raised claws had to be calculated to prevent dangerous tipping in storms.
This single actuator was cycled over 100,000 times before ever being approved for production. Behind every synchronized claw motion sits thousands of lines of carefully written control system code.
This one claw has already opened and closed more times than most machines will in their entire lifetime.
Fatigue analysis predicts exactly how many years of hard use this steel can endure before replacement.
The way pressure distributes evenly across all 8 claws simultaneously is protected as proprietary engineering innovation. Software constantly recalculates balance the instant a load shifts unevenly across the claw assembly. Even the operator's seating position was prototyped repeatedly to reduce fatigue during long working shifts. After years of design and testing, this single stamp finally authorized the machine's physical construction to begin. This machine's story truly begins here, Turden. Inside furnaces hot enough to liquefy solid steel instantly. Raw steel slabs are rolled and reshaped repeatedly until they reach the exact thickness engineers specified.
Even moving raw material here requires cranes powerful enough to lift entire vehicles effortlessly.
Computer-guided plasma torches cut each claw component with precision far beyond any human hand.
Robotic cutting systems follow digital blueprints exactly, eliminating human error across thousands of repeated cuts.
Every single cut piece is measured against exact specifications before moving to the next production stage.
Heat treatment hardens the steel's molecular structure, dramatically increasing its resistance to future stress and impact.
This sudden cooling process locks in the steel's new hardened strength before it can soften again. This massive machine represents the pinnacle of that strength.
Massive forging presses shape critical pivot pins under pressures exceeding thousands of tons per strike.
That impact you just felt in your chest? That's the exact force shaping the bones of this machine.
Precision lathes refine each rough forging down to exact microscopic tolerances required for smooth movement.
Sandblasting strips away every impurity, preparing the raw steel surface for permanent protective coatings.
This coating isn't just color to tine. It's a chemical barrier against rust in brutal outdoor conditions. The inside of every hydraulic cylinder must be polished smoother than most household glass surfaces. Even bolt tightening order follows strict engineering sequence to avoid warping critical pump housing components. Each blade edge is hardened separately, allowing flexibility in the arm while keeping the tip razor tough. Ultrasonic scanning reveals hairline internal cracks that could otherwise cause catastrophic failure under load. The bearing housing alone requires a casting process capable of pouring thousands of pounds of molten steel. Breaking the mold reveals a rough shape that still requires weeks of additional precision machining ahead. Multi-axis CNC mills carve dozens of precise bolt patterns that must align perfectly during final assembly.
Every single hose is custom cut and rated for the exact pressure it will endure in operation.
This serial number will trace this exact component's entire history for the machine's operational lifetime.
Construction truly begins here. Engrais, welding together the skeleton that will carry the entire machine's weight.
Robotic welders lay down structural seams with consistency no human welder could match across every unit.
Right now, this is just a steel skeleton tourney, but soon, this exact frame carries 8 tons of claws.
Lowering the undercarriage requires perfect alignment, since even small errors compound across the entire structure.
Dozens of rollers must be installed in exact sequence to support the massive track's constant movement.
These drive motors alone generate enough torque to move the machine's entire multi-ton weight forward.
Laser alignment tools ensure the tracks run perfectly true before any additional weight is ever added.
Measurement confirmed. The track's running true.
This single lift moment is one of the most delicate operations in the entire construction process. Hold steady. All right, lowering now. Contact. This star pattern sequence prevents warping, ensuring the turret rotates smoothly for decades of operation ahead. Coordinating 2 cranes at once demands split-second communication to avoid any dangerous misalignment mid-lift.
This single pin will bear tons of dynamic stress every time the boom lifts or lowers.
Every hydraulic connection is pressure tested immediately, catching potential leaks before the arm ever moves. Mounting the first claw arm marks the moment this machine truly begins resembling its finished form. This connection point must endure millions of open and closed cycles across the machine's entire working lifetime. Installing all 8 claws in the correct sequence prevents dangerous imbalance during the assembly process itself. At this stage, dozens of workers move in perfect coordination, like a single synchronized construction organism. Proper hose routing prevents dangerous wear points that could cause catastrophic hydraulic failure years later.
Standing under 5 claws already installed, I can't imagine what this beast feels like with all 8 attached.
With the 8th and final claw installed, this machine's true skeletal form is now finally complete.
The cab arrives fully wired, requiring only final connection to the machine's central control systems. Miles of wiring connect every sensor, switch, and warning light back to this single central cab. This engine installation marks the moment the machine gains the power to finally move under its own strength. Thousands of gallons combined fill every hose and cylinder before the system can pressurize safely. After months of construction, the machine finally stands complete, and Pam, silent, still, and waiting for its first breath. Hidden beneath the factory floor, an entire support network powers every test this machine will undergo. Even testing this machine requires industrial-scale cooling systems to prevent hydraulic fluid from overheating.
Every sensor reading from the machine streams instantly into this room for real-time engineering analysis. This quiet room might look boring, but it's basically the machine's brain, watching every single heartbeat closely.
Backup fuel systems ensure uninterrupted testing power even during extended, multi-hour stress evaluation sessions. Safety systems here are designed to respond within seconds if any hydraulic fluid ever ignites unexpectedly.
This booth exists purely to allow engineers to halt testing instantly if anything appears unsafe.
These anchors are engineered to withstand forces far greater than anything the machine will generate operationally. Even the smallest vibration through the concrete floor gets recorded and analyzed for structural safety.
Before this machine ever moves under its own power, it's monitored by more sensors than most aircraft.
This first startup moment is the culmination of years of design finally becoming mechanical reality. Watching all 8 claws move together for the first time, engineers finally see years of theory in motion. The motion proves smooth and controlled. Every rotation during testing is compared against simulation predictions to confirm real-world engineering accuracy.
That sound you're hearing isn't just power, Brad. That's years of engineering finally proving itself under real pressure.
This final load test pushes the machine to its rated limit, confirming every engineering calculation holds true.
This certification tag officially confirms the machine is finally ready for real-world operational deployment.
Transporting a machine this massive requires specialized trailers and strict oversized load transportation regulations nationwide.
Escort vehicles guide this convoy carefully, ensuring safe passage through bridges and narrow highway sections.
Arriving on site, this machine finally begins the demanding real-world work it was engineered specifically for. Deployed nationwide, machines like this now handle material volumes far beyond older generation equipment's capability. What started as a blueprint years ago now shapes industrial landscapes across the entire country daily. Real-world performance data now feeds directly back into designing the next generation of even larger machines.
Engineers are already sketching an even larger successor, pushing mechanical scale further than ever before.
If you think this machine was massive, wait until you see what Next Gen 2050 uncovers next. Cray, see you soon.